Stelman, Stelio Manneschi, to Paola, 1974. Sekhmet waits, she, the mighty one, on the temple's quiet edge, where the ancient order tries to hold the idea and the light thins into a threshold. Daughter of Ra, fire that does not burn, sacred wrath that knows the measure of the world. She observes the profound silence of Anubis and the gentle dance of Bastet. Here time does not wound, it does not break. It flows in a returning circle where all is present, all is kept. Within this dwelling that enfolds, within this harmony that consoles. Anubis, you who watch the passage between the seen and the unseen, protect the fragile space where identity dissolves and then slowly recomposes. Bastet, having shed your feline skin, you become Artemis, then Diana. And every time you change your form, the world changes with you, as if the myth were a body breathing through yours. And behind the window, the cosmic architect, the hand that remains unseen, turning potentiality into act, the living threshold between idea and matter. He dwells not at the center, but at the border where all is born and all returns. In this love that knows no measure, I surrender to you the myths, the history, the space, so that you may fill them freely with your own meanings. I offer you a world that is not mine alone, but the fruit of millennia of human dreams. For love, like art, is never something finished, but a form that continues to seek itself beyond every form.